Hey there, PlushTubers! Welcome back to our plush paradise. And if you're wondering why I look a bit strange today, that is because I am an elephant! Yep, you heard me right! Because today, we're going to be going over how you can make a wonderful plush video for your channel. So you can make wonderful plush videos by using only 3 simple steps. Oh wait, where's my hat gone? Ah, there we are. So grab your plushies and let's dive right in. Oh! Now the first step to make a wonderful plush video is to nail your video quality. Alright, let's make these videos good. Okay, so whether you're thinking of starting up or you're already making videos but the quality isn't very good, here are some tips to help you improve it. And this will help add up the formula that you need to create a wonderful plush video. Alrighty, so first up, why don't we play a little game, okay? So it's your job to decide which plush is the real one and which one is the fake one. Okay, so let me show you them both now. Alright, made your choice? Well, the correct answer is this is the real plushie and this is the fake plushie. And that brings us into our first tip, okay? Having good quality plushes. Now this is important because imagine that you want to watch a plush video and there are 2 options. One of them has a real Mario plush and one of them has a fake. Tell me in the comments below, which one would you click on? Well, I'm guessing for most of you, you'd click on the one of the Sane Mario plush. And I wouldn't be surprised by that, because viewers always want the best from your plush videos. And the thing is, these don't even cost too much, okay? You can literally get them from your local GameStop or from Amazon for like £10 or something. If you're from the UK, of course. If you're from the US, it might be like $20 or whatever, but it's not too expensive, that's my point. Okay, but trust me, the difference is very important. So make sure that you're always buying the best quality plushies that you can. Of course, I know that sometimes it might be pretty hard to get your hands on an official one, so you might have to get the bootleg occasionally. But do make sure that you try to buy the official ones, because trust me, it is very important in plush tubing. So you can literally just hop onto Amazon right over here and scroll down until you see an official Mario plush by Sane. Okay, Sane are one of the best plush producers out there, so I'd highly recommend their plushies if you can get them. Alrighty, so now that you've got good quality plushies, let's talk about the equipment side of things. Okay, so this is what I'm going to say about equipment. You don't need to buy Hollywood level stuff. Okay, seriously, like nowadays, you can literally just film a professional plush video with your iPhone. That is how good these things have gotten. But obviously, if you can get your hands on a camera, that'd be much preferred. So for cameras, I would definitely recommend getting a Canon camera because they are just the best brand for plush tubing. They're not crazy expensive, but they can certainly do the job. And if you want to have good quality lighting for your plush video, then I kind of recommend getting one of those ring light thingies. Ah, my eyes. But if you can't get your hands on one of those, then I just recommend filming in front of a window. They give out natural light to shine up your characters. But plush tubers never film plush videos in the dark, okay? They just look atrocious. Seriously, make sure that you have good lighting for your plush video. You don't want to be filming in the dark where nobody can see your characters. Okay, so just remember that your plush characters are the stars of your video, so they have to be seen and heard just like the shine of a superstar. Alright, so before we go to our next major step, let's quickly go over some editing tips and tricks for your plush videos. Okay, so in terms of video editing, I would certainly recommend either OpenShot or CapCut as your video editor. Okay, I have used both of these in the past, and they are both perfect for starters. Of course, if you're more of a veteran at plush tubing, then I'd give a Final Cut or Premiere Pro. They are both great options for advanced plush tubers. And lastly, you'll need some jolly Super Mario music, which you can get from the internet to spice up your video. Okay, so now, let's talk about trends such as Super Mario Wonder. So trends were kind of like warp pipes from the Mario universe that push your video out to a wider audience. And as of right now, Super Mario Wonder is the trendiest trend in the trend town. Creating plush videos around big trends can really help boost your channel's audience and subscribers. So I would give it a shot if I were you. Just make sure not to rely on trends as a whole, because it can destroy your channel if you're not careful. But my major word of advice is to never make videos around memes. Okay, because while memes might seem like they get you loads of views very quickly, in reality they'll just get you demonetized and copyrighted and everything like that. So don't make videos upon memes. Okay, and the final part of creating a wonderful plush video is custom outfits and characters. So let's take Super Mario Wonder. If you want to create a custom character for your video, you can attach a hat to an elephant, for example. So as of this time, it's me, an Elephant Mario! And it's as simple as that. Now if you really want to go the extra mile, you can sew custom outfits for your characters. Now I will warn you, sewing stuff on can take a very long time, but trust me, the results will be worth it. Okay, so now that you know how to make good quality, engaging plush videos, my friend, you've just made a wonderful plush video! So remember, PlushTubing is all about creativity and having fun with your Mario characters. And that's how you create the most wonderful plush video of them all. And if you found these wonderful tips useful, then remember to subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you don't miss out on a single PlushTube educational video. But you know, part of making a good plush video is writing scripts, which is exactly what I showed you how to do in this video over here. So make sure to give it a watch if you want to make the best plush video out there.